On Christ the solid rock I stand, all other ground is sinking sand. All other ground is sinking sand. I'd like to make my coronation speech, which by God's grace we have titled History Beckons. A brighter future begins in Arochukwu Kingdom. Eze Aro, esteemed elders, kingmakers, noble princes of our beloved Arochukwu Kingdom, fellow Ezes, representatives from the presidency and various states, His Excellency, Governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Chioma Oti, leaders from various arms of government in Abia State, spiritual and professional leaders, special guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks a significant milestone in the history of our renowned Arochukwu Kingdom. Earlier this year, I was officially crowned and handed the staff of office for this exalted, revered, and ancient throne. Today, we celebrate the coronation in full expression. And I am deeply grateful to God Almighty and everyone who worked very hard to make both my ascension to the throne and our celebration today possible. The Eze Aro throne has been a symbol of our collective strength, a symbol of our unity, a symbol of our cherished traditions. The recent contestations for the throne were not merely trials of ambition, but a test of our resolve, both as a people and for me as a person. Today, I extend my hand in brotherhood to all princes of our dear kingdom, for in unity lies our true power. Our elders say, Gidi Gidi, Bugweze. Unity is strength. Unity and wisdom have preserved our ancient kingdom through the centuries. It was unity and resilience that helped the Arochukwu Kingdom survive the British invasion in 1901 when we had the Aro-British War. And that unity and resilience has continued to preserve this kingdom and made it to thrive till today. Now, more than ever before, we need that unity of purpose to reinforce our commitment to our kingdom's legacy. The path to reclaim our lost opportunities and rekindle progress demands a foundation built upon trust, understanding, and harmony. Our kingdom's strength lies in the bonds that tie us together as one indomitable force. I pledge before you all today, not as a ruler, but as a servant leader, devoted to the prosperity and well-being of every individual within our great kingdom. I commit to fostering an environment where every voice is heard, every dream is nurtured, and every member of our society finds their place in the sun. With humility, magnanimity, and selflessness, I vow to bridge the divides that have hindered our progress. I promise to lead with the fear of God and respect for everyone. I am committed to bringing utmost dignity and attract the highest respect to the throne of Eze Aro. Commanding national estimation and recognition as a first-class monarchy. Indeed, I was privileged to be part of the inaugural meeting of Southern Nigerian Traditional Rulers Council held in Abuja recently. Going forward, I will continue to engage in regional and national efforts that align with my agenda of elevating the Arochukwu kingdom to new heights of glory and development by putting God first, upholding our age-long cultural identity, and abiding by our kingdom's motto, Ako Buije. As history beckons on us, the imperative of an Aro Renaissance challenges us to reclaim our heritage and forge a path to a stronger, more prosperous future for Arochukwu kingdom. Our kingdom, once the beacon of Igbo civilization, must rise again to its rightful place of preeminence. I pledge before you today to lead this renaissance with steadfast dedication, harnessing the strength, resilience, and ingenuity of our people. Together, we will revive our cultural heritage, enhance our educational institution, both Western and traditional, and promote economic initiatives that will restore the enviable glory of Arochukwu kingdom. This coronation is not just a celebration of our rich traditions, but also a bold statement of our bigger vision. We aspire to see the full development and integration of the entire Igbo nation within Nigerian Federation. Our unity and progress are inextricably linked to the broader aspirations of the Igbo people. By fostering collaboration and mutual support across the eastern Nigerian land, we can unlock the potential that lies within every Igbo and indeed Aro community. Our shared history, our shared values, and our shared ambitions must guide us towards a future where the Igbo nation stands tall, contributing significantly to the Nigerian Federation's growth and prosperity. To the Nigerian federal authorities, I extend a respectful call for a genuine embrace of true federalism. Marginalization and exclusion must give way to inclusion, fairness, and justice. The Igbo people, with their remarkable contributions and rich cultural heritage, deserve a central place at the heart of our nation's development. Let us build a Nigeria where every ethnic group, including the Igbos, can thrive and contribute to a truly united, progressive, and sustainable nationhood, thereby fostering a peaceful environment where every citizen feels a sense of belonging. Along these lines, I seize this opportunity to lend my voice to the concerted calls on His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the release of our son, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, from his prolonged detention. His release, already sanctioned by court injunctions, is overdue and will be in the interest of promoting peace and justice in Nigeria. Omar, as I lead and serve from this revered throne, I call upon all sons and daughters of Arochukwu to join hands with me. I cannot do it alone. I will need the wise counsel of our elders and the support of everyone to write a new chapter in our history. At this point, I want to thank God Almighty, who has guided my journey in life. I'm grateful to my amazing parents, my grandfather, the iconic Eze Oji, from whom I learned the golden rule of leadership. Anaya Chiaro Achi, and Eze Aro Eso. My father, Reverend Prince Joshua Oji, and my mother, Dr. Mrs. Doris Oji. To my dearest wife, Ugweze Noma, the love of my life, and my children, Arochukwu, Eberechukwu, and Arochukwu. Your love and sacrifices are forever cherished. My unreserved gratitude also goes to my supportive siblings, Dr. Chukwuemeka Oji, who is here with his wife Kelly and his children all the way from the United States, and my older siblings and their spouses that are here. I appreciate the Okenachi kindred, our kingsmakers, for their wisdom and guidance. I thank the royal family at Oro, Ndoke, Utugu, Bianco, Amaja, Ibomisi, Ezagu na Okwaragu for their understanding and support. We are one. To your excellencies and representatives from every level of government, all we want to say today is a big thank you. Your Excellency, Abia State Governor, Dr. Alex Chioma Oti, We really want to say thank you, Mazi, for gracing this event despite your demanding schedule. I'm grateful to all my spiritual leaders, including representatives of Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, who are here, and all pastors and ministers of God and prayer team that has been praying for me since I ascended this throne. I appreciate your partnership and I appreciate your support. I want to thank my colleagues in the corporate world, particularly in the oil and gas industry, where I have honed my leadership skills in the past 25 plus years. I really want to say thank you. My gratitude also goes to all the various planning committees for the success of this event. I appreciate the Nigerian mass media, gentlemen and women of the press, all of you that are represented here, thank you for your support. And most of all, I appreciate all Eze Aro from the kingdom, those in diaspora, for making this event a historic one and one that we will remember for the rest of our lives. The Eze Aro belongs to you all. We are all kings wherever we find ourselves. Together we can achieve great things. May the grace of God be with you and be with us. May the spirit of our forefathers guide us. May the wisdom of our elders enlighten us. And may our unity be the torch that illuminates our path to greatness. Long live Arochukwu Kingdom. Long live Abia State. And long live Nigeria. Thank you.
Hello, let's give a standing ovation for this very articulate